Design Notes is a show about creative work and what it teaches us. I'm your host, Liam Spradlin. Each episode, I talk with people from unique creative fields to discover what inspires and unites us in our work, starting by tracing the unique journeys that bring us together.
Yeah, it's a bit of a story. That's okay. Yeah.
So the way I came to type design is possibly a slightly non-traditional route.
At college, I trained in physics and philosophy. Somewhere along the line, I started being a musician. But what was happening was along the way, I was sort of gradually moonlighting as a game designer.
Together, we explore the impact of creative work and our roles as creators.
I think often designers are overwhelmed by what they have to produce, but it's such a privilege to get to make the world. You're deciding when someone should turn the page. You're deciding how heavy their phone is that they lift up every day. All of those things are ways that you're actually changing someone's experience of their life through design. And I don't think there could be a more transformative discipline than that.
Design Notes isn't a show about process. Instead of asking how, I ask why, uncovering the unique relationship between design and designer, art and artist, and how our creations play a role in our own lives and in the world around us.
I think our values and our histories and our experiences are everywhere and in everything we do. And I think instead of trying to hide them, we should own it and make sure they're aligned and in harmony to what we want to bring to the world.
Through conversations with creatives from all disciplines like game designer Bennett Foddy, MoMA design director Rob Giampietro, Vanity Fair visual director Clinton Cargill, and type designer Ksenia Samarskaya, Design Notes uncovers the unique considerations behind all modes of creation and the common motivations that help us to keep going.
We always have the ability to create something beautiful in the face of whatever external pressures we might be up against at the time.
Design Notes is published monthly by Google Design. Subscribe so you don't miss an episode, and thanks for listening.